Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I'm going to explain XLOOKUP, which has many advantages and saves time and avoid mistakes. If you watch to the end, you will learn to find the data for employee or any person when you have a large data. For example, I have an ID for this one. Directly it gives all information for the ID EOO6 here, but it directly provide all the information here. If you want to learn, watch to the end. Now let me delete all the data here. Okay, now I deleted everything. Let's start from zero. First, I want to insert all the IDs. Just from here, put cursor in data validation, select list, click this option and select the IDs, all the ID. Just enter. Okay. Now I have all the IDs here. Okay, for example, I selected this ID. Now let's apply XLOOKUP formula. Put cursor here and right click XLOOKUP. Okay. Put this cell, then comma, put all the employees ID, again comma. Okay, this time all the data I have. Okay, just close and enter. EOO8 employee ID EOO8 returns to this person. Directly, you don't need to look from this large data. Directly, it brings all the information about this employee. If I change the employee ID to another one, for example, this one, directly gives all the information. It saves much time. Also, it avoids all the mistakes. It is very helpful. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.